have the right of way. Fuck.
How will you stay cool this summer? Maybe a 6 weekly Saturday. I'm meteorologist Spark Thibodeau from the Weather Channel on 106.1 FM Talk.
Next news in 30 minutes. Follow us on social media. Go to 1061fmtalk.com to connect.
Your shot at $1,000. Now, text the nationwide keyword WE.
Actually closes minds. I don't think it opens them. And whereas journalism used to require curiosity.
You don't have the right of way. Fuck.
Rob Stadler.
From the JD Service Now Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning Traffic Center, 440 eastbound side, a crash at Capitol. It's backed up there to about Lake Boone Trail, initially sluggish. Coming up from Highway 1, and a crash on Capitol outbound at Burlington Mills. That's tough much of the way back to 540. I'm Steve Counts, 1061 FM Talk. Great chances.
They look after you, not just your account. It's free for card members. Just sign up online at discover.com/free alerts. Limitations apply.
Oh,
Next
wow.
news in 30 minutes. Follow us on social media. Go to 1061fmtalk.com to connect.
Probably about 5,000 a week. I mean a month, I'm sorry.
So $60,000, $70,000 a year.
Yeah.
Okay. No, I would not sell the car.
Okay.
Not because of Lyft or anything like that. It's just a small enough.
But an American company simply cannot compete in the Chinese market with domestic Chinese manufacturers. They can compete in our market because we permit it, because we're free and open about it. But it's been an unfair arrangement for decades and is in the process of being fixed, and that's...
And the election results were not compromised. He also says he signed an agreement with the FBI not to disclose which counties, but that elections officials there have been briefed. The Mueller report had said hackers gained access to the network in at least one Florida county. As the
Classic Rock 100.7. Double pay workday. You work once, you get paid twice. Only by getting paid once per workday instead of double pay. Just like some people like drinking eggnog.
Who's this asshole? Jesus Christ.
I'm tweeting. And yes, in a different world, you might not want him to do it.
They were purely representative of whoever it was you were saying in your story. They represented. And so there are subjective judgments in what we do all of the time as journalists, every single minute of the day. And I've never shied away from that because I'm one of the two journalists who stood up and said, you know, objectivity is not a human quality. Subjectivity is our most human quality. To be objective, we need systems and processes, and we need things that we revert to that take us out of our most human instincts and force us to do things that are not really natural for human beings. It's natural for us to have opinions. It's not natural for us to look at things from all different sides. It's natural for us to agree with the people we like. It's not natural for us to be as critical of the people we agree with
Oh
as
my
we
God.
disagree with. So in a sense, objectivity is something that takes us outside of our nature.
Another one. One, he's limping. Poor goose.
Jeremy, what do you think? Chelsea's bid was 200.
201.
I got 201 on that one. Gotcha. Andrew?
This is for the day.
You know what? I don't know, but it just says lunch and fun.
Okay,
Jesus. Hi, geese.
Camera. You know, socialists need to rebrand. She didn't say we, although she could have. She said socialists need to rebrand because socialism does conjure Orwellian.
Split.
That was Probst. Made up that. I used the real words, I think. Okay, you're a dickhead.
Chris looks at me and he goes,
Oh, look at this shit.
I don't drive
That's
like
a
that.
save.